Hi, students, and welcome to week 3 in your online general psychology course. We're moving right along. Here we are already in week 3. So last week, you started the textbook with chapter 1. And in addition to hopefully enjoy learning about what is psychology and the schools of thought and some of the historical theorists that we talk about in psychology, you also familiarized yourself with Connect and what the quizzes look like, and so forth. And so that's going to be pretty consistent. Obviously, the content changes each week, but more or less, what to expect with Connect assignments, what to expect on the quizzes. That's going to look pretty similar throughout the rest of the semester. So this week we are jumping into chapter 2, and we're actually going to spend 2 weeks in this chapter. It's the only chapter that I break into 2 parts and spend more time on. And it's because we're, covering psychology as a scientific method. And I just want to make sure that you have time to grasp the concepts in this chapter and really wrap your head around psychology as a scientific discipline. So a little different about this week is that because we're doing it in 2 parts, you won't have your quiz over chapter 2 until next week. Okay, so this week, make sure you start reading chapter 2. Here are the PowerPoints for the chapter, and then you're going to have 2 Connect assignments, one over the scientific method and one over the types of research in design. And these are going to be really important that you start really, mastering this idea of psychological research. I'm jumping ahead here because I want to talk about next week's assignment where you're going to be hypothetically designing your own research design. And so this week is a warm up, some practice, comprehending and understanding so that you can put that into application for next week. So it's not too early this week, even though that assignment is not due until down the road, February 11th. This research design assignment is the one I'm referring to, is to kind of start thinking about it as you're reading and as you're taking notes and viewing the PowerPoint and doing these 2 Connect assignments for this week, okay? So for this week, 2 Connect assignments. Catch your breath. I know we started with a lot, and please reach out to me if you have any questions whatsoever. Have a great week, everybody.